The roads we drive, the products we use, the highways that stretch across the land, all depend on the trucks that carry us forward. These are more than just vehicles. They are the pulse of America. Meet the 5 titans that reign over the asphalt kingdom, each built for a specific purpose, each a legend in its own right. Buckle up, this ride's about to get legendary. Number 5. Freightliner Cascadia, the efficiency king. The Freightliner Cascadia might not turn heads with flashy chrome or bold designs, but it is the undisputed champion where it truly matters, the bottom line. In the world of logistics, where every penny counts, the Cascadia is a masterpiece of efficiency. Its aerodynamic design isn't just for looks. Every curve, every panel has been sculpted to cut through the air like a blade, saving thousands of dollars in fuel costs each year. With a stunning 8.5 miles per gallon, it's more fuel efficient than most trucks can dream of. But it's not just about miles per gallon. It's about uptime. It's about reliability. The Cascadia keeps the wheels turning and the deliveries on schedule, day in and day out. Take Bill, a fleet owner with over 300 trucks. For him, the Cascadia isn't just a vehicle, it's a business partner. "I don't need chrome," he says. "I need a truck that works." The Cascadia delivers that every day. Silent but powerful, the Freightliner Cascadia is the efficiency king, delivering results without the noise. Number 4. Volvo VNL 860, the sanctuary. Shift from efficiency to something deeply personal. Meet the Volvo VNL 860, the truck that asks, what if a truck could feel like home? ... For decades, truckers endured cramped, uncomfortable spaces, but Volvo changed that. The VNL 860 is not just a truck, it's the sanctuary, a high-tech studio apartment on wheels. With a reclining bunk, spacious sleeper cab, and luxury features that rival modern cars, Volvo created a living space for truckers who spend weeks on the road. Long-haul driver Sarah told us, "I spend 3 weeks on the road, but this truck isn't just a vehicle. It's my home. I cook, relax, and actually sleep soundly. It's where I live, just like my house." But the VNL 860 is more than comfort. With I-Shift transmission and life-saving safety features, it's a lifeline for drivers. Volvo didn't just build a truck, they built the sanctuary, where cutting-edge technology and comfort meet to make life on the road a little more bearable. Number 3. Mack Anthem, the Bulldog. From comfort, we move to sheer muscle. The Mack Anthem is not just a truck, it's a symbol of raw, unapologetic American power. Known as the Bulldog, the Mack Anthem is built for the toughest jobs, the ones that demand uncompromising durability. Whether it's hauling logs through rugged forests or dragging heavy equipment from a construction site, the Anthem is built to handle it all. And the best part? It welcomes the challenge. Under its hood, the MP8 engine generates an astounding 2,000+ pound-feet of torque, more than enough to power through the toughest terrains and heavy hauls. Buying a Mack, says one heavy haul driver, is about buying a truck that can take a beating and keep coming back for more. It's all steel, all grit. The Anthem doesn't just do the job, it owns the job. The Anthem isn't built for smooth highways and long-distance hauls. It's built for the rough and the tough. It's the truck that gets the hard jobs done when others wouldn't dare. In the world of vocational trucking, this is the Bulldog, fierce, reliable, and ready for anything. Number 2. Kenworth W900, the legend. There are trucks and then there are legends. The Kenworth W900 is a living, rolling piece of history. This truck is an icon, a symbol of reliability, power, and tradition. With its distinctive long-nosed design, the W900 hasn't changed much in over 50 years, and for good reason. When something is this perfect, there's no need to fix it. The W900 isn't just a truck, it's a family heirloom. For many, The keys to a W900 are passed down from father to son, and then from son to grandson. When I'm behind the wheel of my W900, says a third-generation trucker, I'm not just driving a truck, I'm driving my family's legacy. Every mile, every road we conquer is a part of who we are. With its 600 horsepower engine, the W900 is a beast on the road. But it's not just about power, it's about tradition. It's about the craftsmanship that's built into every detail, from the polished chrome to the handcrafted interior. The W900 is the legend, not just because of its design, but because of the story it carries with it. It's the truck that makes you feel part of something greater, something timeless. Number 1. Peterbilt 389, the king of the highway. And now we come to the undisputed king. The Peterbilt 389 is the truck every driver dreams of owning. It's the epitome of style, power, and pride. If the American highway had a throne, the Peterbilt 389 would sit upon it. This truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. A rolling work of art, meticulously customized by its owner to reflect their personality. The chrome accents, the custom paint jobs, the luxury interiors. This truck is an extension of the driver's identity. For many, the Peterbilt 389 is the culmination of a lifetime of hard work and dedication. People see a truck, says a veteran owner-operator polishing his 389. But for me, this is my life's work. This isn't just chrome, it's my armor. This isn't just paint, it's my flag. With a Cummins X15 engine pumping out up to 605 horsepower, the Peterbilt 389 combines raw power with elegance. It's the perfect fusion of classic beauty and modern muscle. The Peterbilt 389 is the king of the highway because it's the truck that everyone knows. It's the one that defines what it means to be proud on the road. The efficiency king, the sanctuary, the Bulldog, the legend, the king of the highway. These aren't just trucks, they're the backbone of a nation, built for every challenge, every mile, and every dream. They've earned their place on the road and in the heart of every American. These machines don't just drive the highway, they define it. Which of these titans would you choose to command the asphalt? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if you believe in the power, and subscribe for more stories of the giants that make our world turn. BB Machine Moments. Feel the power. Respect the giants.